chincha chinchi abachincha bochincha na chinchi bachincha ching ching chang chang abachincha.
Welcome. Yo.
Yeah.
Let me go to Beno. Welcome. I'm staying a meter away from Chifho Charge, and I bet you guys can see that I'm skin kissed. Yeah. So you must know all the time. When you hang out with people like Chifo Charge, you must feel like you're absorbing all the energy. You must feel like it's all about. So Chifo Charge, how are you doing, bro?
I'm fresh, man. What did you do, man?
Yeah. So who is Chifo Charge and Chifo Charge? What do you mean, Pichanga?
Chifo Charge in the mutua location and Shayandima. Yeah, and tomorrow ita music, from scratch. Ita beating, no himba, no rapper. Yeah, practically I can say that. Yeah, that's Chifo Charge.
Okay. So I Chifo Charge just on. So you've been making beats for a lot of people. So do you wanna name drop like almost 5 people that you've made beats for, maybe?
No, I made beats for kids like Giddy Boy. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Misophil. Yeah, I made beats for niggas like Jack Chesedek.
Yeah.
I made beats for P-Post. I made beats for even Belafonte. About Ratchet. A lot of cats, man.
That's a lot of cats that have been in the game and who are still in the game.
Yeah.
So are you under a stable or do you have your own stable or what? How does it go? Because I remember back then, what's that? Double FFLR.
Oh yeah.
Fund line is what? Future Fund Line Records.
Future Fund Line Records.
Yeah.
What happened to Future Fund Line Records is that's me, founder CEO. I started that. You know what I mean? We went through our journey. We had a lot of artists that we were working with. We were like more interested in establishing artists. To make them like big. Bigger than what artists are like even right now. So, and along the way in our journey, Rumba Divana crash. A crasher, but then recovered as but then we were meaning to come up in a new way, with a new name, fresh start. But Double FLR, whatever happened to Double FLR is what it is. What happened to Double FLR is everything that people know, and I don't think Double FLR has to be like on a comeback or anything like that, because what happened will never come back. It has already happened. So we're in a new chapter right now. So we're looking up for new things, But then, shout out to Double FLR and what it did to the world, man.
Yeah. Shout out to cats like Oma Toy, MLO were there, right? Shout out to cats like TOY, cats like Giddy Boy with Double FLR, cats like Ross.
Kids like DK Low, my love.
DK Low, yeah. What's up? Where's DK Low? DK Low.
There we go. Yeah, man. A lot of cats, man. I miss all of y'all, man. You know what I mean? DK Low's still in the block, man. I don't think he's doing music now, but then he's gonna come back. You know what I mean? So yeah, man. That's what it is. Double FLR has already played its part. It did a lot to the vendor rap, vendor music. It contributed a lot, and I'm grateful. And I'm finna move on,
Yeah. So what are you rapping right now? What are you rapping? Who are you representing, or what stable are you representing right now?
Oh, right now what I'm working on is I'm more focused on me, myself, and I, I and I, Ja, Rastafari. Yeah, man, that's the way, Anyway, what I've been working on is just making more music, I'm working on a brand called Nola. As already Nola, like in the morning, you have Nola, if you want to make sure Nola, each and every time, it's all about that. You need to have Nola, even, yeah, I'm going to move the, but no Nola, Nola, so I already need really name to to make a show about Nola, I don't know Nola, Bangabasa to Nola, Nimaniko. Ngoba sesilazo kusha, and ngoba greedy and as ngothi mochincha, I mean, so ndiko represent Nola uthi mwana moya athi wana Nola, and akho khona Nola. Yeah.
So I also saw, like, I think was about 2 weeks back, there was a video of yours going through Facebook, going through YouTube. It was
Yeah, yeah,
viral there, and then there. It's Ching Chi. Is it Ching Ching or Ching Ching?
No, man. What do you think?
It's Ching Chi.
It's
The
Ching-
Ching Chi, right? Like change. Isn't it kind of like Ching Ching? Ching Ching as in machine, like coins. Stop laughing.
Okay,
I
I'm
really
sorry,
love
man.
that song.
I'm sorry.
I really love that song.
I just wanted to hear your side of the story.
I really love
Okay.
the song. So that song, when was it recorded? When was it recorded? That song?
Ching Ching Chong Chong. We recorded that song 2018, man.
It's a song, wasn't it? About 2 years, 3 years back. No?
It's two. I think it's a year and it's probably 2 years now, or 1.5. You know. But then we recorded it in 2018 at the end of 2018, and then the video was shot last year, 2019. I think around December time, and it had to be dropped now on depression time. You know, just to be on some truth. You know, just to get people on the truth and you know, just something different, you know, in a corona way. So I guess it was time for it to drop this time, even though it was recorded then. And it's amazing how a video can make everything sound new, even though it's been a while, you know. So I guess it's a comeback also for me, because people haven't been hearing from me in a while, and I've been doing music that's pretty different from other people, you know, like Ching Ching Chong Chong. Who would have ever thought, you know, somebody would be offended? What does it even mean, offended, like you're saying? So it means a lot of things. Ching Ching Chong Chong means change.
Change.
Yeah, even, you know, small change, you know, like penny, you know, like, you know what I mean? So Ching Ching Chong Chong, what it means is actually talking about how people can be easily changed by money, and even by you know, material things, you know, can eventually change with the real person, you see. Yeah, man. So it doesn't really happen with friends only. It also happens with family, you know, at work, everywhere. It's all about money nowadays, you know, and people can betray you or can make you with money, you know. But anyway, they change, you know.
The change means
Yeah,
something.
you see? Exactly. So I'm glad people are actually liking the song and it's going viral. You know, I
So
hope it's gonna make
who shot the video?
The guy who shot the video, his name is James Sander, you know, one-man crew.
Yeah.
Yeah, right now he's busy. He's still studying at school. He's Verts. I think he's doing his honors right now. You know, he's also doing something. He does video for hobbies, and I'm really grateful for that guy. You know, I'm hopeful that we're gonna do more videos with that dude. You know, because he's got quality, man.
So speaking about hobbies, ne?
Yeah.
What other hobbies do you have except making banger ass tracks in the studio?
Compliment, right?
What
My
other hobbies do you have?
Okay,
Like,
man.
yeah.
I do a lot of different stuff. I play soccer, man. I go to the gym, bruh. You know, you can see I'm a bit. I go to the gym, bruh, and I also play Ludo. I like to go play Ludo a lot, man. That shit is just. Did I just say shit? Am I allowed to say?
You can. The
All
two
right.
of you.
Sorry, man, guys. Anyway, the tamba Ludo. Futi the no dancer. You know, they're dancing. You know, they're just
Chifo dances. Yeah, he does. Bully dances. He does.
Yeah, because
does.
ndiko dancer all my life, you know. Before I did music, I was dancer, so I can't let that go. And you should also look forward for music awanga house, you know, over very soon. Na mapiano, hopefully na ndiko jive na ndiko dance and the youths and if around with the upcoming with the training, you know what I mean? Yeah.
So one last thing, do you have any song coming out or any EP or any album coming out soon that we must look out for, and where can they get you on the socials?
Oh yeah. Dina mixtape unenda kwenye dropa. Ono fiba runga Gabriele.
Yeah.
That's my other AKE, you know. Ndo una track zona ngabo 9, you know, track zona ngabo 2613. And it's one of the tracks about to the Fabato, you know. Bo Dove, you know. Track zona ngabo Via Baby. Zwine zwanga mbora baby. Imosarali yanga Via Baby. Komra sango vaya baby. Abe ene anga vaya baby. Rasala zichiko u vaya baby. Hotel the buzisa ko ya gai vaya baby. Bilu yanga u ya vaya baby. Trekzona that you know chimwe Atiba lokoti zlavela kane trekzona ngabo alirali. Trekzona ngabo ma muro wa chipinashi, you know. I think muro wa chipinashi. Yeah.
So with that track, when is it dropping? Are you gonna drop it on first or before?
Yeah. Roach Pinash they drop you know, I think in 2 weeks time you should be expecting a video, you know. Yeah, people should be expecting a video in 2 weeks time if we are working on time. Yeah.
Don't forget to tell them where they can get you on the socials, maybe Facebook, where.
Oh yeah. We're busy working on that, man. But hopefully I know you're gonna be getting it on all available what do you call them? Platforms from you know, like iTunes and all the digital platforms. So make sure that.
Okay. So guys, thank you so much. Yo, before you go, do you want to say anything to the fans or say anything to the Facebook people? Like, Facebook, this is what's up. Venrap, this is what's up. I'm coming. You and you are you. I know you owe me. I know you're gonna do this. I'm gonna tell you this in a song. Do you want to say anything to them? You tell the people what?
No, man. Making sure that you're not going to you know what I mean? Yeah, man, and then you don't sell a soul or achieve a goal, you know what I mean? Work hard for your thing, you know what I mean? Get a child. Yeah, man, be real, you know? And don't change, you know, you know?
Never change.
Make sure.
Change.
But whenever it's yeah, never value family, friends. Those are the most important people in your life. You must take care of them because they're the ones that are gonna take care of you at the end of the day, you know. So yeah, make sure you be a team. You know, you must unite and be firm. Yeah.
So do you wanna hook us up with the Ching, like Vincent Ching,
Dandy good no bed and no change. Timaring is a muya maran no change. Ababa to for chele deva change. Check on no la or no change.
No lie. Yama change. Ching chong chong. Yama change.
Yeah, man, that's what it is, man. Ching, someone change, you know, man.
Shout out. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like the video, don't forget to share the video. Me, Naky Mabogo, we are.
Ching, yaba change, basa to change, yaba change. Wo change, na change, ba change. Ching, I'm a changer, but that's a change and a change, I'm a changer. But change and a change, I'm a changer. None the good love a bed and no changer. The more thing is some way I'm not in the changer. I'm about to for charity, never changer. Check I don't know no changer. I was just on a changer. Check on the chipping, I was not on a changer. Abafethi chipinga basathu uchenja ndobudza na chipinga timeline yo chenja chenjani ching nisango chenja ching chang yoba chenja binchi zangu chenja bendera nabo chenja na family chenja na makyo chenja for ching na chong nang bisi na chong dinga si the choncho ching chang yoba chenja ching yoba chenja basa chenja yoba chenja wo chenja na chenji ba chenja ching chang yoba chenja ching yoba chenja basa chenja yoba chenja wo chenja na chenji ba chenja ching chang ching I'm a changer, but that's a change and a change, I'm a changer. But change and a change, I'm a changer.